10 AI video tools to help you make your first $1 million in 2026. Explained. Imagine sitting in your room, sipping coffee while AI creates videos that earn you thousands of dollars a day. Sounds impossible? Not in 2026. AI is no longer just a tech buzzword. It's a business partner that can make video production faster, smarter, and more profitable than ever. But here's the catch. Most people don't know which AI tools actually work and how to use them to generate real income. Today, I'm revealing 10 AI video tools that can help you make your first $1 million in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint to start creating, monetizing, and scaling like the pros. Number 10, Pictory on turn scripts into videos instantly. What if you could turn your blog posts or scripts into fully edited videos in minutes? Pictory uses AI to convert text to video automatically. Just paste your script and the AI selects visuals, stock footage, and even background music. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or even long-form content. Pro tip, use Pictory to repurpose old blog posts into viral videos without hiring editors. Funny story, one user tried to convert a 10,000-word novel into a 5-minute video. The AI picked a clip of a cat chasing a laser beam as the main storyline. It is lesson learned, AI is powerful, but sometimes it has a sense of humor. Number 9, Synthesia. Create AI avatars that speak. You want a presenter without ever stepping in front of a camera? Synthesia lets you generate AI avatars that speak your script in multiple languages and voices. You can create tutorials, product reviews, or course videos without ever hiring actors or recording yourself. Pro tip, combine Synthesia with Pictory for a fully automated content pipeline. You can use different avatars for different niches to build audience recognition, or various voice styles, as some audiences prefer calm narrations while others like energetic tones. Keep your scripts short and punchy to maximize engagement. Mix Synthesia with animated text to highlight key points. Schedule your videos to post at peak audience times using AI analytics tools. Test facial expressions of avatars to match your content vibe. Add background music subtly to boost retention without overpowering the voice. Use Synthesia for client projects to start earning income quickly. Repurpose the same avatar for social media snippets across multiple platforms. Continuously experiment and refine your approach as the AI learns from feedback and repeated use. Number 8, Runway. Next level AI video editing. Editing's used to take hours. Now, AI does it in seconds. Runway uses AI for green screen replacement, object removal, and automated editing. Want to replace a sky, remove a background, or auto-cut dead footage? Runway does it effortlessly. Pro tip, use Runway for marketing videos. Faster edits equals more content equals more potential revenue. Funny story, a YouTuber tried to remove his messy room with Runway. The AI replaced it with a swimming pool. His cat was terrified. You can apply AI color correction to make videos look professional instantly. Auto-generate motion graphics for intros without learning complex software. You use object tracking for product videos to keep focus automatically. Combine Runway with AI voiceovers to create fully automated tutorials. The background replacement feature is ideal for e-commerce video ads. Runway can enhance low-light footage, saving you from reshoots. Export videos in multiple formats for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts. Collaborate with a team online as Runway allows multiple editors to work together. Save template projects for recurring content like reviews or tutorials. Test AI filters to create unique aesthetics that stand out in crowded feeds. Number 7, Jasper AI. Scriptwriting made easy. Struggle with video scripts? Let I do the thinking. Jasper can write YouTube scripts, TikTok captions, ad copy, and hooks for your videos. It understands trends, audience preferences, and even your niche's tone. Pro tip, use Jasper to generate multiple script versions in minutes and pick the best one. Number 6, Veed.io, AI for subtitles and captions. Did you know videos with captions get up to 40% more engagement? Veed.io automatically generates captions, translates them, and even adds animated text effects. Perfect for repurposing content across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Pro tip, multi-language captions equals global audience equals higher revenue potential. You can emphasize key points using animated captions. Test different font styles to match your branding. Translate translate captions into top viewed languages like Spanish, Hindi, or French. Use auto captioning for live streams to improve accessibility. Repurpose captions for Instagram stories or TikTok shorts. Highlight quotes to create viral snippets. Adjust timing for better readability, as some viewers read slower than others. Combine captions with AI voiceovers to appeal to hearing impaired audiences. Use subtitle templates for consistent style across videos. Monitor engagement to see which caption style retains viewers longer. Number 5, Descript. Edit video like a document. Imagine editing videos like you edit a Word document. Descript allows you to cut, copy, or delete words in your transcript, and the video edits automatically. It also includes AI voice cloning, so you can fix mistakes without re-recording. Pro tip, perfect for course creators who want clean professional videos without the hassle. You can fix audio mistakes instantly with overdub voice cloning. Turn video transcripts into blog posts for extra SEO traffic. Combine Descript with screen recording to create tutorial videos. Use the studio sound feature to clean up audio automatically. Create multi-language versions by translating transcripts. Auto-generate chapter markers for long-form videos. Repurpose podcasts into short video clips. Collaborate with team members directly in the transcript editor. Remove filler words to keep content punchy. Export in multiple formats for YouTube, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Number 4, Kaiber, AI animation and visual effects. What if you could animate your ideas without learning After Effects? Kaiber converts text prompts into AI-generated animations and motion graphics. Use it for intros, explainer videos, or eye-catching shorts. Pro tip, combine Kaiber animations with AI voiceovers for viral social media content. Experiment with different art styles for unique branding. Animate product demos for e-commerce ads. Create animated intros and outros for social media content. Add animated overlays to existing videos for more engagement. Test motion effects to highlight key points in your video. Number 3, Lumen 5, turn articles into money-making videos. Got a blog? Turn it into a video that earns ad revenue. Lumen 5 automatically transforms blog posts into engaging videos using AI. It adds visuals, music, and captions to your text automatically. A pro tip, repurpose old articles. Your archive could become a passive income machine. Number 2, 11 Labs, AI voiceovers that sound human. Your videos need a professional voice, but without hiring expensive talent. 11 Labs generates realistic AI voices from text. You can even clone your own voice. Perfect for tutorials, product reviews, or storytelling videos. Pro tip, combine 11 Labs with Synthesia avatars for a fully automated presenter experience. Funny story, a creator accidentally cloned his own voice to read a horror story and scared himself in the middle of editing. Number 1 in video, the all-in-one AI video studio. Need everything in one place? This is your Swiss Army knife. InVideo lets you create promos, ads, and YouTube videos with AI templates. It combines video editing, voiceovers, and graphics into one platform. Perfect for beginners aiming to monetize quickly. Pro tip, use InVideo for client projects and start charging $500 to $1,000 per video. Nerdy. How to use these tools to make $1 million in 2026. Do you know the tools? Let's talk strategy. Pick a niche: gaming, finance, health, or trending topics. Automate content creation. Use Jasper for scripts, Pictory/Synthesia for videos, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. Repurpose everywhere: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn. Monetize ads, sponsorships, courses, or client work. Scale. Hire freelancers for thumbnails, marketing, and social media. Pro tip, start small. One AI video per day can become 30 plus per month with minimal effort, then watch compound growth kick in. AI video tools are not just convenience, they're opportunity. Combine the right tools, the right strategy, and consistency, and making your first $1 million in 2026 is achievable. Which AI tool excites you the most? Comment below. I read every single one. If this video gave you actionable insights, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Next video, we'll explore AI video tools that could replace camera crews in 2026. So don't miss it. Mini. The future is AI powered. Your first million could be just a few clicks away.